Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on YouTube. Today I have an unboxing video for you, and I am unboxing the adorable Carrot Patch collection from Paper Rose Studio. I've got their quick cards die cuts, I've got the 6x6 paper collection, and the paper pad collection of the basics. So I'm going to start here with the Carrot Patch 6x6 paper collection. You can see here this first sheet has these adorable cut-aparts. Then we've got this cute little scene with a bunny. Now in the 6x6 paper collection, there are 18 double-sided pattern papers. There's 3 each of 12 designs. Oh my goodness, look at this, how cute, with the little cake and the bunny. Here we've got some cute little cut-aparts. A little bunny scene here. More cut-aparts. Actually, I think this is the first page. Let me flip this over and show you the reverse side. I'm going to hold it up to the camera so you can see all the adorable images included in this collection. Some little carrots. We've got that grid paper. Ooh, I like this with the banners. Then we've got this cute design here. Polka dots on the green. And then these adorable little critters, and we're back to the beginning. So again, there's 18 double-sided papers in here. And now that was the Carrot Patch collection, just like the regular. I've also got the Carrot Patch Basics 6x6 paper collection. And again, you get the 18 double-sided patterns, 3 each of the 12 designs. It's printed on 200 GSM paper. So I'll flip through here and show you each of these designs. Let me make sure I'm in frame so you can see these. Super, super cute collection. These will make adorable cards, but you can also make scrapbook pages. I do love this smaller design, the 6x6, when I'm making, you know, like you can cut out little squares or circles for your scrapbook pages, but they're just perfect for cards. There's some butterflies, and I also am going to be showing you the Carrot Patch Quick Cards die cuts. And with the embossed die cuts, oh my gosh, I love that bow paper. With the embossed die cuts, they're meant for, you know, quick cards, and they have that embossed detail on them. So these will definitely be cute for birthday cards, baby cards, Easter cards, just hello cards, lots and lots of things. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the Quick Cards die cuts. There's 4 sheets of the 6x8 embossed pop-out die cuts. So these just pop out of here. They've got some little chads, and you just pop them out. But you can see here, I'm trying to tilt it so that you can see the embossed detail, but we've got happy birthday and best wishes and hello spring, rooting for you, thank you. There's some banner pieces, cute little images, some bows and bunnies and butterflies. Oh, I love that bunny there. We've got sentiments like happy days and little sprout, hello bunny, another happy birthday. Then these circle images cut out, and you could just pop those right onto the front of a card. Oh, I like that one. Hello bunny. So this is a super cute collection. I will leave it linked down below in the description box. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to see more. Thanks for watching.